How are you all? Hope you all are in good health. Students, today we are starting our chapter number 6, Loopings and Graphics in Small Basics. So let's start the topic.
Children, subroutine are used in those cases where we have to execute the same steps over and over again. They help us in reducing the code in large program by forming a group of the repeated parts of the program code. A subroutine is also called package of statements. You can write subroutine anywhere in the program. Suppose if your program code is very lengthy, so you can make a group of subroutine, you can make a coding of subroutine and put a subroutine anywhere in the program. Thus we can say subroutine is a piece of code within a larger program that performs a specific task and can be called from anywhere in the program. Subroutine are identified by a name that follows the sub keyword and terminated by end sub keyword. Means it started by sub keyword and it is terminated by end sub keyword. The syntax is sub, name of the subroutine, statement and sub. Children, this is the program to use subroutine. Write a program to find the maximum of two numbers. So you will be using this program to getting the concept of subroutine. Subroutine, the output of program is, the program is find the maximum of two numbers. The output you can see first number is 45 and second number is 33. The maximum number is 45. So it will gives the output 45. Next is graphics. Small Basic is not only designed to display text and alphanumeric output, but it is also be used to display colorful graphics and generate different sounds. With the help of graphic statements, you can draw various type of figures, design patterns in different colors and style, as you can see on the screen. In this chapter, we will be learn how to use Small Basic program to display shapes and design as well as play musical notes. The children graphics window. The graphics window is made up of tiny dots called pixel. The combination of more than one pixel together makes an image. So you can see that side is a pixel and that combination of pixel makes an image of a bird. The graphics window display design and graphic patterns on the screen. A good number of pixels assure better display of graphics. Before we proceed with making beautiful graphics, let us understand the display characteristics of graphics window. It is divided into X and Y coordinates. By default, the graphics window is 624 pixel wide and 444 pixel height. Each pixel can be represented by X and Y coordinates. At the top left corner, the X and Y coordinates are 0 and 0. The X coordinate increases from left to right and the coordinate increases from top to bottom. Let us know more. The amount of pixel per unit area on the screen is called the resolution. Now graphics window object. The graphic window object provides graphic related input and output functionality. Input, then the whole process is done and then we get the output. Graphics window object. It is used to draw shapes, line and text in many colors as you see on the screen. Following are the properties of graphics window with their default values. First, we will be studying width. Set the width of the graphics window. The default width of graphics windows is 624. You can set it 500, 100 graphics window width of your choice. Next, height. As you know, the default height is 444, but you can use it as your choice like 400, 300. In this picture it is used 400. Next, the title. The default title is Small Basics. Other you can change it to graphics program as your choice. Next, the background color. The background color, the default background color is white, but if you want to change it, you can change it to red also, as you seen on the screen. Next is color of the painting brush or pen color, that is called black. Default, by default it is black, but you can change it to green, like you can see on the example graphics window, pen color green. Next is width. The default size is 2, but you can change it according to your need, like pen width 3. Next, brush color. You can the by default brush color is slate blue, but you can change it to your own choice, like you can change it to slate blue to yellow, as you see on the.
Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care. God bless you all.